Hello everyone, this magnificent vista is the view from Planplatten above Meiringen in the Bernese Oberland. There's a fantastic view from here over the surrounding Haslital and over to Lake Brienz to the west. But first of all, just to clear a couple of things up, this was filmed in August 2020, back in the heady days when you could visit Switzerland without locking yourself away on your return. Secondly, we're missing my customary introduction direct to camera because, well, I realised I'd mucked it up. And flying back to the Alps just to film a 30-second introduction seemed a little bit of overkill. Anyway, moving on. Starting at the middle gondola station at Bidmi, there's a short hiking trail with a little bit of a twist. This is the Hasliberg Kugelweg, or Marble Run. The Kugelweg has 11 separate marble runs along its 3 kilometres length, all constructed by small local craft and engineering companies. The trail dips in and out of the mountainside woodland between the two middle gondola stations of Bidmi and Reuti. It's all downhill, and it is all on a very good path, but it is nonetheless steep in a few places. The trail never steers too far away from the gondola overhead. And when you're not occupied by the marble runs themselves, you get a great mix of woodland walk and a more expansive mountain view down into the valley. If the weather is relatively clear, you can even catch a glimpse of the famous Reichenbach Falls across the valley. I can't watch this without thinking about tipping points. This is the village of Reuti, where the trail ends. If you're in the area and you want to enjoy the marble run, a wooden marble costs 3 francs from any of the gondola station shops. Do hit like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.